Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be bringing you guys another crochet video. I'll be using the Tress Premium Edition Gypsy Butterfly Locks by Jeanette Collection for this style. These are 24 inches, so they're pretty long, but I got these in a color 1B. So yeah, I got a couple of packs, about 8 of them, but I only used 6 packs for this style. So this is what the hair looks like when you open the pack, and then the strands are the loops are actually like this. Some of them are hard to like open up, but others are not too difficult. So what I did was just go with a traditional crochet, like a individual crochet method instead of the traditional crochet. That way I can control the hair better because it's so thick. So hopefully this comes out the way I want it to. So this is basically how I prep my hair. Just braid the bottom and twist the rest of your strands for you to do the individual crochet locks. So I put the crochet needle at the base of my individual strand and then pull it like that. So as you can see, I couldn't push any more of the loop through. So what I'm doing is just taking my own hair through the crochet needle again, like that. Just hook it right there and then close the latch hook and pull your hair through. So you're basically using your hair to knot the bottom, and then I'm going to push the crochet needle through the strand of lock and then pull my hair through it to hide my hair inside. I hope me slowing down this part of the video helps you to see exactly how I did this, and I'll do it 2 more times and then speed up the rest of the video. So that's basically how I did each individual strand. Again, some of the loops do open up, others are a bit tight, so doing the traditional method was a bit difficult, but I loved doing this individual. It was way easier. So again, I'm going to show you guys one more time how I did this. I hope this helps. But let me know if you have any questions, comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to those. So yeah, let's get right to the rest of the video and just keep watching. This next 3 clips are all about showing you guys exactly what I did, and then I will come back and talk about the hair a bit more. This actually took me about 3 hours to do. It should have taken me less, but you know, I had to get lunch and whatnot. But yes, so these don't take so long, and this is what they look like when I was done. And then I'm just going to oil my scalp and then add some accessories, and that will be it for this one.
Thing I love, you guys, is that the strand itself is well done, and I see why they said it's 100% handmade. It is so well done. My hair is not popping out at all. Like, my hair is in here somewhere, but it stays. I love when I get locks and the strand is big enough for me to hide my hair, because that's the point. Like, you don't want it to be tacky or anything like that. So anyways, that's what I love the most about it. It just worked with these individual locks. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at _simply_ogo, and also follow Janet Collection as well. right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as usual to join the family. And if you have any questions, comments, just showing some love, let me hear it. Just comment down below, guys, and I will see you in my next video. You guys stay happy, stay well, and I will see you real soon.